Hello everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. The top 5 best humanoid robots in 2025 that are pushing the limits of technology and innovation. From cutting-edge AI companions to advanced robotic assistants, these machines are designed to impress and make life easier in ways you've never imagined. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you won't miss out on future reviews. And if you're interested in any of the robots we cover today, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Gemini Robotics, a cutting-edge vision-language action model developed by Google DeepMind in partnership with hardware providers like Aptronic. Built on Gemini 2.0, this system extends AI into the world of robotics by interpreting multimodal inputs, vision and language, and translating them into real physical actions. With the launch of Gemini Robotics on device, the system can now run locally on robots without continuous cloud dependence, reducing latency for real-time response. Since it's hardware agnostic, Gemini can power anything from dual-arm robots to humanoids like Aptronic's Apollo. Think of it as the brain behind the robot, designed to deliver adaptive, generalist intelligence across robotic platforms. Coming in at number 4 is the NEO Gamma from 1X Technologies, a humanoid designed specifically for homes and human-friendly interaction. Its standout feature is its tendon-driven actuation system, which ensures soft, safe, and quiet motion, perfect for environments where people live and work. This robot is built to assist with everyday household tasks like tidying and cleaning, while also offering companionship and conversational interaction. Wrapped in a knit suit soft exterior, it feels safe and ergonomic during physical interactions. With natural human-like movement such as walking, squatting, and navigating through tight indoor areas, NEO Gamma is all about blending into homes seamlessly while being both useful and approachable. At number 3, we have the Fourier GR-2, the second-generation humanoid from Fourier Intelligence's GR-X series. This robot is built with 53 degrees of freedom, including highly dexterous 12 DOF hands, equipped with tactile sensors for precision grasping and adaptive handling. With joint torques reaching up to 380 Newton-meters, it has remarkable actuation strength, making it capable of powerful, stable movement. The GR-2 supports multiple control modes like VR remote operation, lead-through teaching, and direct command input, making it versatile for both developers and researchers. At number 2 is the ROBOTERA L7, a full-sized bipedal humanoid that pushes the limits of mobility, dexterity, and intelligence. Featuring an incredible 55 degrees of freedom, including advanced dexterous hands with 12 degrees of freedom, this robot demonstrates peak performance with joint torques of up to 400 Newton-meters. It can run at speeds of about 4 meters per second and handle dual-arm payloads of up to 20 kilograms, showing impressive strength and agility. From dancing and jumping to tool handling and multi-step autonomous tasks, ROBOTERA's L7 is designed for versatility, whether in industrial use, research, or entertainment. Finally, at number 1, we have the ENGINEAI SE01, the flagship humanoid robot from Shenzhen-based ENGINEAI. This full-sized general-purpose humanoid emphasizes smooth, natural gait and motion thanks to its end-to-end neural network control system. Designed as an open platform, the SE01 aims to support the development of embodied intelligence while being capable of performing standard humanoid tasks like walking, running, grasping, and more advanced maneuvers. The SE01 is positioned as a foundation robot, a flagship model that researchers, developers, and even future consumers can build applications upon. With its combination of agility, perception, and utility, ENGINEAI SE01 stands out as one of the most promising humanoids of 2025.